pass the torch. The idiom, pass the torch, is often used figuratively to mean handing over responsibility or authority from one person to another. It originates from the image of a torch being passed from one runner to another in a relay race, symbolizing the transfer of the task or duty. Example 1. After serving as the CEO for 20 years, John decided it was time to retire and pass the torch to his successor. In this example, pass the torch means that John is handing over his role as CEO to someone else. Example 2. As the founding member of the band, Mark felt it was time to pass the torch to the younger musicians who could bring fresh ideas and energy to the group. Here, pass the torch implies that Mark is giving up his leadership position in the band and allowing others to take charge. Example 3. The coach announced that he would be retiring at the end of the season and passing the torch to his assistant coach. In this scenario, pass the torch means that the coach will be transferring his coaching responsibilities to his assistant. Overall, pass the torch is a metaphorical expression used to describe the act of handing over responsibility or authority to someone else. It emphasizes the idea of continuity and the passing of knowledge or power from one individual to another.